Alright, guys. So let's look at the last one that we did. We could have started the video from this, right? And it says that the pie chart shows the satisfaction rating given by 300 guests at a hotel. So we know that it's 300. That's the guests, the number of guests. And of course, it says how many guests said the hotel was good. So because we did this yesterday, we said that this part represented good, which is actually a quarter of it. So it would be a quarter times 300. And we agree that it comes down to 3 into this 7 times plus 2, 75. So our answer was 75. So 75 students are a quarter represented. So the hotel was good. All right, on to the real lesson now for today. As I said, guys, we had done that yesterday, but it's just good to start it from there. The chart shows a company sale in 3 different regions. When was the steepest drop in sales? If we can figure out that. When was the steepest? These people are so weird. All right, so Aria, go ahead. Go ahead, Aria.
Sir, the answer that I chose for this question is C, March to April, Asia.
March to April. All right, thanks so much. All right, let us look at it if that is actually true. Can't take no call. These people don't understand when they start class, but can't take no call. All right, she said March to April. Let's look at that, guys. Let's look at the numbers, right? Let's look at the first one, first of all. Let's look at them one by one. So from January to February, right? Europe. So that's the first one we have to look at. Agree? We have to do them one by one. So let's look at Europe. One. So here we go. Europe would be this one here. Why am I not seeing my cursor? It's like it's on a different form. Why am I seeing this? Why am I not seeing it? Hold on, let me try something. Put it on this. Here we go. It's invisible, you know. So invisible. All right. So January to February, Europe. So this is Europe, right? Follow the line. All right. So we are going from January to February. Now this is at 20, agree? And then this would be at 12. So the difference there, 20 minus 12 would be 8. Let's look at February to March. February to March, North America. So here we have North America, the tick line, February. We are at 25. From March, we go to what? 19. So 25 minus 19, that gives us what? 7. No, 6. It's actually 6 there. All right, so you knock that one. All right, March to April, Asia, what you pick? So we go to Asia, which is this line here, zigzag. and it's March to April. Now here it is at 15, so let me see, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and it got to 13. So it's only one. The difference is only one. Let's look at June to July, Asia. So June to July, Asia. So Asia, June to July. Here we have 15, 16, 15, 16, 17, 18. Right here is 18. And here is 11. So that's 7. So 18 minus 11 equals 7. So the first one was actually 8. So it's actually A would be our answer. So guys, you have to look at it carefully when you get to read off the chart, all right? The actual answer would have been A. All right, let's look at another one. All right, it said the table shows the maximum temperature each day of this week. What is the range of these temperatures? So what is the range? You guys can... Reggie, I see you put up your hand. I will give you the chance to answer this one if you want, all right? What is the range of these temperatures? Ariana, I see your hand is up as well. All right. I agree with this person right here, which is Anjuan. I agree, Anjuan. That's definitely it. Guys, you don't remember range? All right, Jeremiah. All right, Sakina. All right, Raheem. All right, Courtney. Good job. All right, Cayenne. Karen Marson. All right, Roxy correct as well. I don't think you're Roxy, Rajay correct. All right. Then put somebody on the floor, which is Rajay. He was the first and up for the second one. So let me put. And guys, he's not even in grade 6 as yet. All right, go
Sir,
ahead, Rajay. Go ahead.
um, so it says, what is the range of these temperatures? So range is the difference between the smallest and the largest numbers. which the smallest number is 86. 90 degrees Fahrenheit take away 86 degrees Fahrenheit, which that leaves us with 4 degrees Fahrenheit.
Very good. And guys, he's not even in grade 6 as yet. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Very good. All right, next one, guys. The table shows the number of ice cream sold over 6 days. What is the average mean of the ice cream sold? Go ahead and work out that. Why, guys, I've never had a marathon that went smooth, In terms of persons always pay late, and then I have to be hustling. It's so hard for me. I try to do everything before because I know I don't want to take away you guys' time. I don't want to start after the answering calls and so on. But every time I have to do it, I have to answer it because persons never seem to prepare. I used to be like that, but I've changed. Preparation is key. All right, so you can do 44 and 45 together, all right? Well, to be honest, it's yesterday students I should keep it today. So it wasn't planned long though, but from I get the idea to say, yeah, let me just share it to the board. Agree Sakina for Raheem, agree for 48. That's a 45, I will check it. Yeah. All right. So what I realized, most persons got 45, but a few persons miscalculated for, yeah, Jeremiah, yes, Sakina, yeah, Marcin, both correct, Raheem as well. All right, so let me put Ariana Powell on. Ariana, are you did the video for me, Ariana? Aye. Go ahead, Ariana.
Okay, sir. For for 44, the answer that I got was 300. Wait, B 480, sir.
All right, what did you get it? Oh, she gone. Oh, she put up a file. I can tell us quickly what you did to get it. Not hearing her. All right.
I'm here.
Yeah, what you did to get it?
Okay, sir. So what I did was I added up all the numbers, which I got 2,280. And after that, since I know that there are six numbers, I divided it by six to get 480.
Right. Very good. All right. Thanks so much. You want to look at 45 as well? All right, Jeremiah. Put somebody else quickly for 45. Most persons got 45 though, so that was good. Go ahead, Imani. Imani, I think that's Imani.
Okay, sir.
Mm.
It says, what is the mode of these prices? And the mode is referring to the one that appears frequently. So, sir, I will look at the prices of the gift. The first one, $20. Second one, $14. Third one, $16. And the fourth one, $14 as well. And the last one is 11. So, sir, in the prices, sir,
Yeah, man.
$14 is the one that appears frequently. So my answer is C.
Yeah. Not just frequency, the most. Because sometimes you could have a number occurring three times and the next one four. So they would both of them would occur frequently, but it's the most. Very good. Let's move on to 46. There are 10 sweets in a bag, and I know everyone should get this. Because guess what? We just recently finished probably I post a video on it as well. There are 10 sweets in a bag. 4 are orange flavor and 6 are lemon flavor. What is the probability that the first sweet taken out of the bag at random will be orange flavor? What is the probability that the first sweet taken out at random will be orange flavor? I'm going to WhatsApp and see what's happening. All right. Correct, Courtney Brown, that's 46. Correct, Jeremiah. Who is it, 291? You're also correct. Correct, Israel Brian. Correct, Rashanti as well. Kyle, just text it in here. Text it in. Good job, Ariana. Powell, Daniel, Raheem, good job. Deandra, good job. Roxy, good job as well. All right, good job. All right. Good job, guys. Good job. Good job. All right, let me put somebody on the floor now for that one. Why is it this? Why is it not going around? I don't understand. All right. All right, Jeremiah, go ahead.
Sir, sir.
Yeah, man,
Okay,
go ahead.
sir. So 46 says there are 10 sweets in the bag. What is the probability that the first sweet taken out of the bag at random will be orange flavor? So, first, the denominator will be 10 because there are 10 sweets in total. And then it says there are four orange flavored sweets and six lemon flavor. So sorry, when you add 4 and 6, you're gonna get about a 10. So it's correct. So you're gonna put I think so. The question asks us for the orange. So you're gonna put the 4. Sir, you get 4 to 10, sir. But sir, that's 4 to 10 is not there, sir. So sir, it you have to reduce it. It can be reduced, sir. Cause two can go into 4 2 times, and 2 into 10 5 times. Cause 2 times 2 is 4, sir, and 2 times 5 is 10.
Yeah, very good.
And sir, for the lemon flavor, sir, you would do the same thing. You would put 6 over 10, 6 over 10, sir.
Yeah,
And then after you put the 6 over 10, sir, sir gonna simplify it, sir. So sir, two can go into it, sir. So two into 6 goes 3 times, and 2 into 10 goes 5 times, sir. So,
yeah,
sir, for the lemon flavor, sir, it'll be 0 fifth, sir. And sir, in order to find out the answer is correct, sir, sir, you can add the 2 fifth and the 3 fifth, sir, and it's supposed to get 5 over 5, which is 1,
yeah.
which is also a whole, sir.
Very good. Very good. All right. So Israel Brian asked for this one. I saw it in the something. All right. So it says use the formula to find the speed when the distance is 120 kilometers and the time taken is 3 hours. And Israel Brian asked for this one. Good job, Roger. Jeremiah as well. Azaria. Ariana Powell. Good job. Deandra as well. Roxy, correct. Israel Brian, that's correct. Takina, correct. No problem. Right, so we're gonna put Israel shortly. Guys, I have another people that want to start. Yeah, you don't know who wants to start. Let me put on Israel now. Go ahead, Israel.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, man. Good afternoon.
As 47 says, uses speed, which is s, when a distance d is 120 kilometers and a time t taken is 3 hours, right? S equals d divided by t, what is the speed? If it was my first answer was B, but when you told me to check again, I realized it was B because 120 divided by 3 equal 40 kilometers. It couldn't be 30 kilometers because the distance would have been 90 and it could have been one of the 3 times table. So the answer would be B as in boy.
Yeah. Notice I gave you the formula, right? Because probably you're saying at this age you might not remember. So they say the speed is equal to distance over time. So you want to find, let me show you the magic triangle. When you go high school, especially those who do science, they will show you this. Distance up the top, and then you have speed times time. So whichever one you want, you cover it up. So if you want distance, you cover up the D, and it will be speed times distance. If you want the speed, you cover the speed, and it will be distance over time. If you want the time, what will the formula be? Suppose you want time. What is the formula for time?
Distance over speed?
Yeah, that is it. So it's very easy for you. All right. Everybody love this equation. Solve the equation 3y plus 3 equal 36. 3y plus 3 equal 36. What's the value of y? What's the value of y? You guys can WhatsApp me as usual. You know, I like to give feedback right away, guys. That's all we work. Correct, Ariana Powell. Please put the letters, guys. All right, so I know. Correct, Jeremiah. Correct, Daniel. Correct, Cunningham. Correct, Courtney.
38. See, what happened, mommy? Balloon. Balloon what?
Correct, Israel. Yeah, come on, yeah. That would be it. Correct, Raji. Correct, Juliana Dono. Correct, Jaden. Correct, Roxy. And the one this is not Roxy, you know. But I don't know why I didn't change it. I think it's some wrong name. Correct, Prashanti. Oh, Rashina was gonna do this one, Powell. Correct, Imani. Correct, Cunningham. Correct, DeAndre. Alright, so let me put Rashina on. Guys, you know me like to rotate it as much as possible. Me like give everybody the opportunity, right? Make you be the confidence. Guys, tomorrow is our exam. Correct, Raheem? I don't know about you guys, but I'm feeling pretty confident.
Sir, my answer was C, y equals 11, because the first thing you do, you're going to subtract 3 from 36 because it says addition, but you said that there
they're like opposite. So when if it's subtraction, you do addition. If it's addition, you do subtraction. So when I subtracted 3 from 36, I got 33, and I divide it by 3, which gave me 11.
Very good. Awesome. I love that what you said about the opposite, right? If it's addition, it becomes subtraction. If it's subtraction, you do the inverse of it. Very good. Next one again, guys. It says solve the equation 12x minus 6. I see other people in there with their hands up as well. I'll give you guys the opportunity as well. Daniel, I agree with yours already. Let me see who else hand was up that didn't get a chance. I see somebody named Delano Francis hand up. Lijane as well. Imani as well. Orlando Cunningham as well. So we have about 3 new persons that haven't got their chance yet. Christopher, just text it in. Don't send it here. It's kind of easier for me. Especially since I'm using data and I can't get to manipulate my phone. It's just my laptop. What I did when my coworker put me WhatsApp on me. Something. That is good. All right. So correct Roxy, correct Imani, correct Aziria, correct Rajay, correct Sakina. Correct Israel, correct Katila Lopez, correct Powell, correct Ali Berry, superstar. All right, let me pick one of these persons. Dijani, you can go ahead. Dijani,
Okay, sir. So so we know the equation is 12x subtract 6 subtract 12x equal 42. So we're going to add 6 to both sides, which is 12x equal 42 plus 6, and that will give us 12x equal 48. And then after we divide both sides by 12, so x equal 12 divided by 48 equal 4.
I agree with the answer. You said 12 divided by 48, but it's 48 divided by 12. All right, very good. So we have to watch the language as well, correct? Let's look at this one, guys. A company has a daily charge. Can't answer no call no. Can't answer no call no. All right, so a company has a daily charge to hire a machine plus a delivery charge of $15. Use P for the price of each day and D for the number of days. Which is the correct formula to find the total cost? So we're at 49. on to 50 now, right? 50. Roger, I think I agree with your answer, you know. I got the same thing. Marson, Zain, I agree with you as well. Oh, that person to be like that. I don't understand why people don't think that. Correct, Jaden. Correct, Donna. Israel, I agree with you as well. That person don't have the code. Oh, Jesus, you don't know the code from Eden. Jesus, God, mercy, man. Um, all right, guys. Somebody will know the code. Can you tell me? Can you text it to me? Just text me Zoom code to me, guys, please. The 358 number. Who know it out of them is? Somebody new? Okay, okay. Thanks, Raheem. Thanks. Thanks so much. Thing is, person are paying after the class starts, and we still have to try get in everybody in, you know? You know how good these classes are, you know, guys. So we don't want to deny somebody the opportunity to be here, honestly. Correct, Ali Berry. I know how good they are to people. Correct, Katila Harris. Oh, Lopez is not here. Oh, no. No, Lopez is here. Harris is not here. All right. Yeah, Roxy, correct. I'm put somebody on the floor now, guys. We're on this one a bit too long. Remember, we have another people who want to start, right? Correct, Courtney. All right, let's pick on Orlando. Go ahead, Orlando. Just do it in the order, guys. Go ahead, Orlando. Not here in Orlando at all. All right, one thing, Orlando, we can't stay long on one person. Go ahead, Daniel. Not here in Daniel.
Sir, I don't,
Not
sir,
in
well, sir, a company has a daily charge to hire a machine plus a delivery charge of $15. Use P for the price each day and D for the number of days, which is the correct formula to find out the total cost. Sir, I chose C, sir. 15D times P.
Why? What's the reason behind it?
Sir, because, sir, 15 Sir, because the 15.
All right. I'm not sure. Yeah, think about it. All right, let me pick on somebody else in the meantime while Daniel thinks about. I think that's it in terms of people. So I'm gonna start repeating now based on the names that are there. Roger, go ahead.
Okay, so sir, so it says a company has a daily charge of two to hire a machine plus a delivery charge of 15. Use P for the price each day and D for the number of days, which is the formula to find the total cost. C. I chose A. C equal PD plus 15 because 15 is the delivery cost and P is for the price each day and D is for the number of days. So when you times the price for each day times the number of days, you're going to get um you're going to get a total which you can add it to the delivery cost.
Yeah. Yeah, because guess what?
So
In Daniel, sorry, I thought you were finishing up. In Daniel case, if you put 15D, it's gonna be the delivery cost is a flat rate, right? But when you times it by D, the delivery cost is gonna be times a number, and you don't want that because that's a flat rate. The plus 15, that's supposed to be a flat rate. It's just $15 for delivery. All right. Sorry, Rajay. I thought you were finishing up, but you are correct. I agree with that. All right. 51 says the graph shows a relationship between X and Y. Somebody said let them in, but I don't see nobody in the waiting room. Oh, yeah. All right. The graph shows the relationship between X and Y. So study the graph carefully and let's say now. Guys, let me try it. The graph shows is it y equal half x? So you're gonna look at the relationship. Is it y equal 2x? I'm gonna show you the other options as well. Let me just let in these first. I think what I can do is just make it smaller so you can see everything. All right, there you go, guys. So study the graph and see which one of them actually makes sense. Is it y equal half x? Is it y equal 2x? Or is it x equal y? Or is it x equal 2y? I agree with the first person. I didn't see the name. Let's check. I agree, Roger. Let me see the first person. Oh, Israel Brian, yeah. All right, Cunningham said you want to go. Correct, Roger. All right, Cunningham. Oh, Michaela, just type it in. Correct. Jeremiah, Juliana as well. These persons can check a few persons. Correct, Catilia Lopez. Correct, Zane Marson, good job as well. Have to look at it carefully, right? Yeah, Roxy. I know your name is not Roxy. It's Ariella. Oh my God, it's Ariella. Wait, let me see something. Let me look back on the chart because me see. No, no. All right. Correct, Rashanti. Yeah, Daniel, that will be it. All right, let me just pick on someone quickly. All right, me just work with the answer up, right? Because somebody had asked me, but I don't see the person hand up, which is funny now. Funny now, I don't see a hand up in the something. Why it funny now?
Okay, so 18, the relationship between X and Y. To figure out the answer, I looked at both of them. So when X is at 1, Y is at 2. And when X is at 2, Y is at 4. So what I'm thinking that Y is 2 times X. And when I look at the answer, I see that B is Y equal to X make the most sense. So when X is at 1, Y will be at 2. So it continue like that. So I would think that B will be the correct answer.
Awesome. Awesome job. Right? It's like literally what he said, guys. There's nothing to add to what he said. It's like literally how did they get Y? It's actually they multiply by 2. X by 2 to get Y. So Y is equal to 2X. And I like what he did. He used the examples, the 2 points, 1 and 2, Y and 4, and then he said he continued. Awesome, awesome job. I'm sure the school is so excited to have you guys there September. All right, the graph shows the maximum temperature in England. What else is needed to help the reader understand the chart? Who remember when I was saying that? This they bring this on the something sometime. What is missing, guys? Look at it carefully. What else is needed to help the reader understand this chart? A scale on the horizontal axis. B, a label on the horizontal axis. C, a label on the vertical axis. D, a scale on the vertical axis. And we are at 52. All right, Morrison. I'm going to
If we
agree
go
with.
down a label and then the label.
No, man, not call it out. Correct, down. Not call it out yet. You know we did it already. We give everybody a chance to answer and then correct down. Correct, Daniel. A few persons picked the wrong one this time. Yeah, I'm on it. Yeah, Paul, that is it. Sarah J, that is it. All right, let's see if we can get someone to do it now. Why Rashina always my way on. I'll go and this, what I go and this, what I go. All right, go ahead, Imani.
Okay, sir. It says, what else is needed to help reader understand this chart? So, sir, the choices are A scale on the horizontal axis. B, a label on the horizontal axis. C, a label on the vertical axis. D, a scale on the vertical axis. Sir, I made a mistake and thought C was the answer, but then I realized the label was already there. And in the title, it says maximum temperature in England. So, sir, the thing that is missing is the temperature, which is the scale. So, sir, the answer is B, a scale on the vertical axis.
Yeah. Guys, look at it. Wouldn't you try to read it? Would this, all right. Say we want to read it. January, right? We see this is January. How much January? We have no idea. Because guess what? They never put 5, 10, or 1, 2, 3. We do not know. So it need a scale on the temp. Temperature is not just random, right? It has to have like whether from 0 or whatever, or from freezing. Very good. All right, 53. Which of these statements are true? A pentagon is a polygon. A trapezium is a quadrilateral. A rhombus is a parallelogram. Is it X and Y only? X and Z only? Y and Z only? Or is it X, Y, and Z? I agree with the first answer. I agree with DeAndre as well. Let me see who was the first person. Person actually the answer. Agree Cunningham. Agree Marson. Agree Imani. Right, waiting on the others a little, guys, and then agree Catilla Lopez. Agree Powell. Agree Sakina. Guys, lucky in, tomorrow is the exam. Lucky in. Agree Jeremiah. Me just made the chat, you know. Didn't realize person is using. Agree Cunningham. I think I said that already in a Cunningham. Oh, you did put the wrong number. Okay. All right. Thanks so much, guys. Put somebody else on the floor. On the one and up. The person to phone. All right. Christopher Williams. Your hand is up. Who is that? Go ahead, Christopher Williams. All right. Come on, your. 'Love. 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 'L Wait, what do you say, Christopher? Christopher, you're shift round, man. Go ahead, Christopher. You're crying, that is it. I'm not getting Christopher, guys. So let me try. Only one other person was up. Imani. Go ahead, Imani. I think I did something wrong. Right, go ahead, Imani.
Okay, sir.
Not hearing Imani at all. Right.
It says which of these statements are true? Sir, a pentagon is a polygon because poly stands for many and gon stands for side, and a polygon has sides and it's a close figure. So it's stated as a polygon. A trapezium is a shape that has four sides, and a shape that has four sides is considered a quadrilateral. A rhombus is a parallelogram because all its sides are equal and opposite sides are congruent. So, sir, the answer is B. X, Y, and Z are true.
Very good. I agree. All right, let's move on to 54. An aircraft leaves the airport and travels east. What is the bearing of the aircraft? Go ahead and answer that one as well. An aircraft leaves the airport and travels east. What is the bearing of the aircraft? Agree, Jeremiah. Agree, Courtney Brown. Good job. All right, this one is a bit off. Hope that person take it. Uh, uh, oh, yeah. I forget the answer because somebody was calling. Correct, Anjon. Correct, McIntyre. Correct, Chatila Lopez. Correct, Rashanti. Raji as well. Correct. Good job. Very good, guys. Very good. Correct, Raji. Correct, Shakina. Daniel as well. Amaya Love. McIntyre. Good job. Roxy, there's no V there. Where you get V from? Guys, focus. All right, correct. That is very correct. All right, let me take somebody else now. Good job, guys. You guys are so awesome. There's no hand up, so just pick on someone. Aliana, you want to try? This is a class where everyone is free to try. All right, Christopher. I see Christopher put him on up now. Christopher, I was trying you first and I wasn't getting in. Go ahead, Christopher.
Sir, accident Christopher, sir.
Okay. Oh yeah, I man. So you don't want to answer? All right.
No, sir.
Answer then. What you
Sir,
think is the
no,
answer?
understand.
All right, let me try
Sir,
somebody.
C.
C 270. Y
Yes,
27.
sir.
Y 27.
Sir, because an aircraft leaves the airport and travel east. What is the bearing of the aircraft from the airport? Sir, the aircraft left the airport out from like boat. Like it time, sir, like
You know, like north, south, east, west. You know where they go?
no, sir. Sir, sir, it didn't travel east, sir.
Yeah, but where would east be on this?
New York, sir.
This would be north. This would be east. The teacher don't teach you this at school? North, south,
No,
and then west. Okay, well, you needed to know this. All right, let me put on somebody else. Thanks so much, though. Sit over and go up. So we have Imani, Daniel, and Raji. Imani won't disappear. All right, go ahead, Raji.
Alright, so sir, since it says east, I first think of a right angle triangle. From it says east, I thought of a right angle triangle, which measured 90 degrees. And he says he travels east. So I assume that it is 90 degrees because I thought of a right angle triangle which is measured 90 degrees. So I put 90 degrees.
Yeah. So what happened, guys? Bearings run in a clockwise direction. We know the clock go clock, clock, clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right? Is a clockwise direction. So it's measured from the north line in a clockwise direction. You're gonna do that in CXC as well. So as Rajay said, from here to here, it would have been 90 degrees. So it's actually 90. Good job. Right, let's move on to the next one, which is 55. This one is kind of a bit, oh, this is not on our syllabus, but I'm gonna quickly do it. It says, this is a right angle triangle. What is the length of x? So for every right angle triangle, this is true. The two small sides, when you square them and then find the square root, they give you the large side. So you guys already know how to square, so we just square these. And then we find the square root. So 6, 6, 36. 8, 8, 64. And then we find the square root of 100, which will work out to 10. This is not on your syllabus, however, so I'm just gonna run through that, all right? This one is a perimeter, but it's tough. I think it's tough. What is the perimeter of the shape? We have done performance tasks. Those in grade 5, you know, that's the performance task marathon is coming up, coming up. And by the way, guys, anybody who know anybody in grade 5, you have to sign up this month. So tomorrow it start, you know. So don't miss out on the days them. Sadly, grade 6 will be going away, and the grade 5s will be coming in like rapid to replace them. It already started, you know, guys. It already started. I was thinking I was gonna get some rest because I was gonna have less days, but I realized a lot of persons signing up for grade 5 already. So I will not get any rest until summer. All right. Let's look at 57 because I see answers coming in already. So far as you guys work, man, no, stop. Let me check them if they're correct. Let me check them. We're at 57. 57. Correct, Roxy. Oh, 57 with it. No, 57. That person, Donna, that's correct for 57. Courtney Brown, it takes B. And John, agree. Correct, Sakina. 541. 549 Sorry, 549 2161. 2161. Correct, Sakina. Correct, Rashanti. So grade 5, we know we have to sharpen up our perimeter and area, right? Just coming up in June. Same energy, you know, guys, like how we do for grade 6. Have to prepare. Grade 5 is a very important year. Need that 20%. All right. Let me put someone on the block. This one. Christopher, you have put the number. Darian, you were correct about the 90. Correct, Marson. All right, let me put somebody on the block. All right, Ariana, your name is on top. Let me put you.
Sir, I gave you my answer and you told me to check it, so I'm trying to figure that out, sir.
You try. Correct, Israel. You can literally attack and get it, you know. You can reason for right here. All right, let me see somebody who ready. Daniel, same one. All right, go ahead, Daniel. That's the spirit, man. That's the spirit.
Okay, sir.
Mm.
Okay, sir. Sir, so first, sir, I did the bottom, sir. Sir, so that will be 10, sir. Then the side that measure 8, sir. So 10 plus 8 is 18, sir. Sir, then half of 14 would be 7. So 7 plus 18 is 25. And 25 plus
Yeah,
5.
you say half of 7. Where is 7? Where exactly? Here, sir?
No, sir. Sir, for the part that said 14, sir. The side on the right, sir.
Here.
Yes, sir.
Oh, here you're saying 7.
Yes, sir. So
Okay,
that will be 25. And the 25 plus the 5 will be 30. And the 30 plus the 3 at the top will be 33. And then the two sides will also measure 3, sir. So that will be 36, and another one will be 39. And that little part there will be 2, sir. So 39 plus 2 would be 40. So my answer would be B, 40
What a
centimeter.
41 that man? 39 plus 2, no 41. Hmm?
Oh, yes, sir.
Alright, one thing about it. And John, Graham.
So, sir, so first I did, so sir, as you can see on the right hand side is 14 going up, sir, and on the bottom is 10 going across, sir. So when you add that, that's 24, sir. And sir, if you do it on the left hand side, sir, that would be 30, 38, sir. And then we add the 3 at the top. Oh, oh, sir. Sir, start. Sir. Sir, at the bottom, it would be, the base would be 10, sir. And then, since on the left hand side is 8, sir, the right hand side would also be 8, sir. And then, 8 and 8 is 16, plus 10 equals 26. And then at the top, sir, add 3, and that would be 29. And then here, sir, going down on both sides, sir, it looks like it's about 5, sir. So 39, sir. And then
Alright.
sir,
Hmm?
sir, I don't understand.
Alright, let me show you guys how easy it is. Follow me, guys. Follow me. Follow. Alright, which direction do we want to go? Let's go in this direction. From here, go this way. Now, perimeter mean the total distance around. So 10 plus 8, that's the first one. We need to figure out this little piece here because we need all the distances. Look how easy it is. All of this is 10. Here is 5, here is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. That means that here's have to be 2. You feel that it's so easy? You just look at it. Opposite sides equal. All right, we need to figure out this piece here. From here. Now, if you look at it, all of it is 14. And they told us that it's 14, but here so to here so it's 8. So 8 plus what give us 14? That's 6. Someone said it look about 5, but it's actually 6. So we have to look at opposite sides equal. So guess what? We have all the sides them except right here. So, but guess what? They told us that here so is 8. So that means this is 8 as well. So now we can add 10 plus the 8 plus the 8. Put that in one bracket. You don't need to do more than 3 in our bracket. Don't confuse yourself, right? We're going to start from the 2 now. So let's go. So 2 plus the 6 plus the 3. All right, we stop at 3 now. Then we do the 6 plus the 5 plus the 8. This will give us our answer. So 10 and 8, 18 plus that 26. 2 plus 6, 8 plus that 11. 6 and 5, 11, and that 19. Something off. Oh, something off, you know. I didn't add that 5 here, man. Oh, yeah, I did. 6, 5, 8. All right. Something off there. So 26 plus that 37 plus 19. Something wrong, man. Somebody said I added the 8 two times. Oh, no. Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I did. The 8 here. So all we have to do a minus 8 from this. So this is our 11. Okay, thanks. Somebody said I add 8 three times. Yeah, actually be 48. 108. Yeah, it's 48. I saw what I did. When I put the 8 here, I still put it back here. So I have to delete out 1. So it's 10 plus 8. I put the 8 over here. Yeah. It's actually 48. So it would have been very nice one though. Alright, the diagram shows a circular flower bed. What is the area of the flower bed? Go ahead and work that one down. And it's a use pi as 22 over 7. After this, 59, 60. We have 2 more to go. Let's go. Agree. Dejan. I think it's Dejan. Yeah, take that number. Correct Roxy as well. Correct Roxy. Correct Cunningham. What's the area of the flower bed? Well done, Powell. Powell, I know it's you do the ad for me now. I know. No. Don't think I don't know. I know you. But no one can say we never hear about the marathon because Powell tell everybody. Let's put someone here on the floor who want to do this one. If you don't want to do it, take down your hand. All right. Jada of our hand. Go ahead, Jada. Jada Robinson.
Sir, you're hearing me?
Yeah, man, I'm hearing you.
So, sir, I arrived with my answer by times in 22 by 7 and get 154.
154. All right. So you got
Yes, sir.
154. 154. So area of circle. What's the area of the circle? We have class. Sorry, guys. Sorry. All right. So pi r square. So 7. The radius is 7, right? So we cancel this. So it's 2 times 20. 22 times 7, which is 154. Thanks so much, presenter. All right. This is the diagram shows a solid metal cylinder with diameter 4 centimeter and height 10 centimeter. What is the volume? Now we would have done cylinder this year. Any volume, it's the area of the base times the height, right? So we'd have done that. What's the answer for that? Pi. And I said take pi to be 3.14. We at 59. Agree, Andron. So guys, I'm gonna post this video for persons here. I call the last day we can post it for others so they can meet. So as we finish class, I'll post this. Agree, Jeremiah. Agree, Raheem. Agree, Powell. Raheem, yeah. Andron as well. Sakina, I agree as well. Let's see. Brian, you type V. Yeah, Brian, that's correct. All right, let me put somebody on the floor. I got about half an hour to go on the next. All right, Ariana.
Okay, sir. The diagram shows a solid metal cylinder with diameter 4 centimeters and height 10 centimeters. What is its volume? Take pi as 3.4. So the answer that I got was B, 125.6 centimeters cubed. Sorry. So how I got my answer was that I multiplied the diameter by the height, which I got 40 centimeters, and then after that I multiplied the 40 centimeters by the 3.4 as the pi, and then I got my answer. Which is 125.6 centimeters cubed.
All right. Alternately, we can say pi r square, right? And since somebody say if class are key, when class are done. Since the diameter is 4, that means the radius is going to be 2. So 2 times 2, right? Pi r square, and then you times it by 10. So you're still going to get the 40 years, all right? And then 40 times 3.14. So alternately, you can do it like that. Thanks so much, Paul. Last one now. Cube A. The side of cube B double the length of the sides of cube A. The volume of QB is A, 2 times the volume of A, B, 4 times the volume of A, C, 8 times the volume of A, or D, 16 times the volume of A. Check that one here, guys. That one here is tricky. Also, I'm gonna see the correct answer yet. I'm surprised you guys answer so fast. I'm flashing on the class. I'm in number who and call me after the video for phone. All right, let me look in the comments in the WhatsApp again. Kyle, I think I agree with you, Kyle. And Jeremiah. This one was tough for some persons because not many persons got this one, guys. What's happening? My students know volume very well. Let me see, you know. No, no, I don't. Rashanti, I agree with yours though. Let me see if I can put someone on the floor. Guys, this is the last question on this paper, so we're going to switch over to our next paper. And just two couple until half an hour, alright? Then put somebody on the floor. Rema, you want to do this one? Last one for me now.
Yes, sir.
Alright.
So, sir, for this one, sir, it says the size of sides of cube B are double the length of sides of cube A. And sir, says the volume of cube B is, sir, I pick C, sir, 8 times the volume of A, sir. Sir, let me tell you why. Let me explain why, sir.
Mm-hmm.
So, sir, volume has to do with the length, the width, and the height. So, sir, for cube A, I gave it some random numbers. So, like for the length was 4, sir.
Mm-hmm.
The width was 3, sir, and the height was 2. And then, sir, for cube B, sir,
Hold on.
and sir,
What?
for cube B,
Yes, sir. Hold on. It's a cube.
yes, sir. Oh, sir, sir, for the length, sir, it's 4. For the width, sir, it's 4, sir, and for the height, sir, it's 4. And then, sir, for QB, sir, things the instruction said that QB, the sides of QB are done with the length of sides cube A. So I multiplied 4 by 2 by 2, sir. And so I got 8, sir. So, sir, the size of QB would be 8, the length would be 8, the width would be 8, and the height would be 8, sir. And then, sir, after that, sir, I found the volume. Sir, I found the volume of cube A, sir. So, sir, 4 times 4 is 16, sir. And then, sir, 16 times 4, 6 times 4, sir, is 24, sir. You're gonna put on the 4, sir, and carry over the 2, sir. And then 4 times 1 is 4, sir. Plus the 2 is 6, sir. So, sir, for cube A, sir, the volume is 64. So I wrote down volume, sir. And then, sir, for QB now, for QB, we can say that 8 times 8, sir. Sir?
Yeah, man. I'm here.
So, sir.
Yeah, man. I'm here.
Sir, for QB, sir, 8 times 8 is 64, sir. And 64 times 8, sir. So, sir, 8 times 4 is 32, sir. We're gonna put it on 2, sir, and carry over the 3, sir. And then there's 8 times 6, sir, is 48. And sir, sir, plus the 3, sir, would be 51, sir. So, sir, the volume for QB, sir, is 512, sir.
What's the relationship now?
So, sir, we're not finished yet, sir. Since my answer is T, I multiplied 64 times 8 to see if I get 512. So, sir, 64 times 8, sir. So, sir, 8 times 4 is 32. You're gonna put it on the 2 out of the 3, sir. I did it, sir. 8 times 6 is 48. Plus the 3 is 51, sir. So, sir, the answer is correct, sir. So, sir,
Yeah.
it would be C. The volume of QB is 8 times volume of A.
Well, my Wi-Fi is back, guys. My Wi-Fi is back. Yeah, Jeremiah, I agree. So look here, guys.
Okay,
Look
sir.
here. Oh God, I couldn't get to check the answers like I want because my Wi-Fi was out. But God is so good. It's back. Guys, Jeremiah, why you choose the difficult route? Remember, with maths, it's correct, you know. The aim is to choose the easiest route, not the hardest. No matter if you're bright, right? Look at this. Couldn't you use 1? The volume is 1, right? For A. 1 cube equal 1. That means this side would be 2. 2 times 2 times 2, 8. 8 is, you understand? Don't worry, me I gonna have you in a grade 7. I'm gonna show you them style. What you come on style if you're learning in grade 1. Alright, it's correct. Very good, very good. So it's 8 times the volume of A. And any number you choose, you will always get that. But I like the fact that you said they used some random numbers, you didn't guess it. Just try it. Very good. Can't believe so we lost class. It's crazy, guys. It's crazy. We probably can skip off some of them simple ones here, you know. Alright, we could go on the maths. We have 24 minutes. We could do as many as we can, guys. This says, what is the value of 160 plus 1901 plus 46? Report that for me, please. Long time I want to do some easy maths, right? Guys, I just want to say that you guys are so, so awesome. All right, just go there tomorrow, relax, and execute. That's all you need to do. There is no topic that curriculum based or the Ministry of Education can set that you guys will not be able to understand. The only thing, guys, I'm worried about is if you don't read the question carefully or you don't go through all the options and you see option A and you just pick it. We talk about that when we're doing the mental ability already. Go through every single option. Even if you think it's A, still go through the option, right? Remember that, guys. Remember that. Go through all the options. All right. So we can check the answers, them, you know. Yeah, that for big up, man. Correct, Reggie. Correct, Ali Berry. We have a star in here now, guys. Correct, Imani. Correct, Jeremiah. Correct, Sakina. Correct, Anjuan. Correct, Juliana. Correct, Israel. Correct, Kaden McIntyre. Good job. All right. So I could kind of just freestyle them one, guys. All right. Just for the interest of time. So we add, remember, ones under ones, tens under tens. Correct, Jaden? So this will be 7, 4 under 10, 0 carry the 1, 9 and 1, 10 plus 1, 11. So that gives us 2,108. Why am I have 7 here? Correct, Powell. All right, let's go to the next one, guys. Calculate 8765 minus 2567. And that's number 2. I see Ryan put in the answer already. Let me see if it's so fast. Oh, that's 2, 5, 6, 7, blah, blah, blah. Correct, Powell. This is the speed section, you know, guys. Tools challenge quiz. Correct, Jeremiah. Correct, Marson. correct Courtney, correct McIntyre, correct algebraic, correct Raheem. There's another person, Deandra, correct Sakina, correct Israel, correct Kamaya Love, correct Katila Lopez, correct Juliana Dona, correct Sakina, correct Anjuan, correct Raji as well. Good job. Correct Daniel, all right, good job, guys. Good job. All right, so let's do the subtraction. Correct, Cain. So it will be 8, 7, 6, 5. And we're subtracting 2, 5, 6, 7. So 7 from 5 we can't, right? So we're going to borrow. That leave 5. Boom. 7 from 15 leave 8. 6 from 5 we can't borrow again. Boom. 6 from that leave 9. 5 from 6 leave 1. And that's 6. All right, let's move on to 3. What is the product of 523 and 12? I didn't see Benny. Come on. What is the product of 523 and 12? Correct, Courtney Brown. Correct, Andronita. Not Andronita, that's it. Android. Correct, Jeremiah. Correct, Roger. Correct, Courtney Brown. Kyle, you have to put the number. Correct, McIntyre. Correct, Ali Berry. Correct, Daniel. Correct, Cayenne. Correct, Andron. Correct, Powell. Correct, Cunningham. Correct, Raheem. Sakina as well. Correct, Israel. And Kyle as well. All right, let's go. So you guys choose. Guys, just the interest of time, I'm just gonna do them. All right. So 2, 3, 6, 2, 2 is 4, 2, 5, 10. Put a 0 because you know I'm multiplying by 10. 1, 3, 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 5, 5. So it will be 6, 7, 2, 6. The 6, 2, 7, 6. Very good. Divide 1421 by 7. 1421 by 7. This is the speed section. All right, Jeremiah. All right, Raji. Hold on. Check that one there, Raji. Check that one there. All right, McIntyre. I'm gonna put somebody on the floor for that one. Jada, I think I see your hand up. Why, Jada? Long time? All right, Kyle. All right, I didn't get Jada, so let me do it. So he said divide 1, 4, 2, 1. Guys, you know, say what part adults can? Adults, sorry for this. Sorry if you say this adults, but adults are true. Guys, you know a lot of adults can't do long division. you know, you always stress me why adults can't do this. All right, let's go. So we have 7 to 1, we can't. 7 to 14, 2. So notice where I put the 2, right? I don't put it over the 1, I put it over the 2 because guess what? If I'm going to be real, 0 I go here. So, because of 0 time. Then we multiply 7 times 2, which is 14, and we subtract, we get 0. So we're going to say now 7 into 0, we can't. No, carry down the 2 first. But make me one of them adults who can't do it, guys. Sorry, I thought I'd carry it down. So 72 we can't, right? So we're gonna carry. To be frank, you know, we just say 700 and we subtract and get 2, then carry the 1. That's what it really do. And then we say 7 to 21 goes 3 times, 7 3 is 21. So this will be 203. Guys, remember when you multiply the 23 by the product, 203 by the 7, you're supposed to get back this 1,421. All right. When 79,547 is rounded to the near 100, what does it become? When 79,547 is rounded to the nearest 100, what does it become? The nearest 100. Correct, Marson. I agree with that. All right, Jeremiah. All right, Courtney. All right, Anjuan. This one need to be checked. Put that one again, please. Whoa! They up on a marathon. All right, big up, man, big up. Correct, Aliberry. Good job. All right. Correct, Italia. Good job. All right, let's go. I'm gonna put somebody on the floor quickly, guys. Remember, 7 out each. Deandra, I agree with that. Good job. Yeah, man, you just come back. Yeah. All right. Man, that I go, me now, guys, and even ask me if Wi-Fi come back. And say if Wi-Fi no come back, I'm not going to yard. Andron, go ahead. Andron. I don't think it's Andron, you know. I think it's Andron. All right, Bram, go ahead, Bram.
Says and John.
Andron. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So I was actually
So,
calling it Tarek then before.
yeah. So, sir, to round to the nearest 100, sir, you look at the digit to the right of it, sir, which if it's larger than 5, you add 1 to the hundreds place. And if it's less than 5, you you put a 0 of 2 zeros. So, sir, when you look at it, sir, it's 4, sir, so it's less than 5. So it would be 79,500.
All right, thanks. I agree. I see somebody takes me and says, sir, let me just watch you saying. Let's just see. Oh, Arby. Who I going, Arby? Big up Arby, big up Arby. Correct, Arby. All right. So she got it correct, guys. She wanted me to check it out. All right, let's look at number 6. What is 0.001 0.08 expressed as a percentage. Agree, Courtney Brown. We actually did something like this last night. Guys, enough work we do, Put in work. Correct, Julian and Brown. Put in work, man. Just go and relax and do anything. All right. Correct, Leandra. Cool. Correct, Jeremiah. Correct. Correct, McIntyre. Correct, Kayen. Correct, Raheem. Correct, Anjuan. Correct, Sakina. Correct, Cunningham. Correct, Israel. Correct, Rajay. Correct, Ali Berry. Correct, Sakina. Correct, Israel. Correct, Rajay. Correct, Ali Berry. All right, okay, look at this one. So, guys, it's just like you're saying, right? 1, 2 zeros, right? So, 8 over. So, I read 8%. So, you just look for the number of zeros, basically. We have to move. All right, what is 3.44 divided by 4? 3.44 divided by, let's see if we can do that one here. Agree, Deandra. Cool, agree with that one. Correct, Raji. Put somebody on the floor. Jay, let me see you have your hand up long time. I can't put it on the floor. Wow. Ready? Go ahead. Correct, Courtney, bro.
Sir, I got B,
All right, tell us all.
cause there's nowhere 4 can go into 3. So I put 0 right there.
Mhm.
Sir, I'm not sure about my answer. I'm going to work it out back.
All right, there's no time. We only have 2 minutes. I'm gonna just do it. So as I said, 4 into that we can't, but 4 into 34. How many groups of 4 can get into the 34? 8 times, right? Multiply 4 8s, 32. Subtract, that leaves 2, carry down the 4. 4 into 24, 6 times. You are indeed correct. I see a few persons put 8.6. Guys, really? Remember, you have 3 divided by 4. Come on, guys, come on. I thought these were the simple ones. Focus, focus. This will be the last one. Number 8, which figure is congruent to the triangle? Congruent. I know I'm going to use that word since today. I'm telling you, I agree with Aubrey, Raheem, Courtney, Daniel, I got the same thing. Morrison, Sakina, and Deandra. I agree with those persons. Also, Ali Berry. All right, so guys, I'm gonna end class now. I think the answer would have been A. Congruent mean they are the same, right? Same exact measurement. They only turn it the other way. This one you cannot get a 90. This almost look like a 90, right? Here look like a 90, right? And then 90 will be here. So it would have been A. So guys, I'm gonna post this video on YouTube. You guys get some rest now, and yeah, all the very best tomorrow. I might come on later. I don't know yet. I will see how it goes. My class with CXC ends at 8, so I might come on later. All right. So guys, say bye to your classmate. Correct, Jeremiah. You guys are awesome. Don't ever forget that.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Take
Bye.
care.
Sir.
Bye,
All
Bye.
right.
sir. Bye.
Yeah, man.
Thank you,
Have a
For a
good
sir.
one.
while,
Bye,
crocodile.
sir. Bye,
Take
sir.
care, guys.
Bye,
Bye.
sir.
You guys are awesome. Take care, guys.
Bye, sir.
Yeah, man. Go do it, guys. And grade
Bye.
5. We're gonna
Bye,
start
sir.
working on grade 5. We're gonna start work. Some of you are already ready for
Bye, sir.
grade 6.
Sir,
So start
sir,
Sir.
work from
sir,
grade 5.
Bye, everybody.
Yes,
Do well
bye.
on
sir.
your exams.
They
Excuse me,
will,
sir.
trust me. Yeah, Jeremiah.
Thank
Sir,
you.
sir, since today is the last class, so for the rest of, uh, we're not gonna have a class until grade 7 again, sir.
Well, we're gonna start summer on the
Oh, okay,
weekends.
sir.
Yeah.
Thank
As
you, sir.
I want you guys to do like City and Guilds and CXC from about grade 8 or so. So that's the plan.
Sir, sir, I'm stressed out, sir.
No man, relax. You got this, Jeremiah. You got this.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
And by
Bye,
the way,
take
Jeremiah,
care.
sir,
you got this for tomorrow, bro.
Yeah man, you got this, man.
thank you, bro.
Thank you,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah.
Jeremiah.
Alright guys, big up.
Yeah,
Jeremiah, you got
bro.
this for
You got this
tomorrow.
for
Good
tomorrow.
luck,
Yeah man,
guys.
big up guys. Yeah man. And then next year, Raji and the
Thanks.
others.
Bye,
Same.
everybody.
Bye, take care.
Bye.
Yes, sir.
Big up guys.
Jeremiah.
Alright. No ratings. Big up man.
Sir.
If I don't come on 8 o'clock today, guys, I'm gonna come on in the morning early. So we
Sir.
wake up early here.
Sir.
Abraham.
Sir, are you going to do a video on the other subjects?
Yeah
Sir,
man,
early like what
Probably.
time?
I'm gonna do them guys. I'm gonna do
Sir.
yeah, Zain. I have a next class do you know. I can't stay, but I'm gonna link you up here. You can text me. Because I have a next
Bye,
class
sir.
right now and I have to change the code. Alright, take care. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Bye,
Alright, bye guys. Take care.
Bye,
You guys
sir.
are awesome. Yeah.
sir. Bye, sir. When I'm doing 6, I'll maybe come to your class.
Yeah, man, no, maybe. You're coming, man, for sure. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Bye, sir.
Take care. See you tomorrow.
Intercourse?